French we say, je vais bien. Welcome to Krefex Academy, stay with me, listen and repeat. Bienvenue à Krefex Academy, reste avec moi, écoute et répète.
Thanks in French, we would say merci. Good, the French say bien. Bon. Sorry, as they say in French, désolé.
Goodbye in French, it's au revoir.
Yes, French speakers say
Oui, no in French you'd say
no. Stop it, according to the French. Arrête ça. Bye in French, people say salut.
salut.
I forgot it. The expression in French is je l'ai oublié. I feel sad in French, we say je me sens triste. Hurry up in French, we would say dépêche-toi. Come down, the French say calme-toi. I understand, as they say in French, je comprends. Let's go in French, it's allons-y. It's okay. What do French speakers say? Let me know in the comments. Bien, it's okay. Comment dit-on en français? Dis-moi ça en commentaire.